Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Today we are going to complete a number of the day activity. Now you will find this worksheet in your hard pack. Otherwise, you can complete it directly on Class Dojo under worksheets. Now it's very important to put your name on your sheet before you begin. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is come up with a 3-digit number and write your number in this shape here. The number that I have chosen today is 827. So now I'm going to write it in written word. So that's the word form for the number 827. Here you can see 827 in written form. Now I've used the word end because it tells us that there is more than 800, and I've also used a hyphen between the 20 and the 7 because it is one number. Next, we need to draw our tally marks. Now, because we are using such a large number, you can be as creative as you like and think of a way that represents a 3-digit number using tally marks. Moving on, we need to say whether the number is an odd or an even number. Now, we know that the number 7 is an odd number because we can't split it into 2 equal groups. So therefore, the number 827 would be an odd number. We now need to look at a number that is greater than and less than our number. So we've got the number 827 in the middle. Now, to remember the greater than and less than symbols, we know that this symbol means that the number to the right must be smaller than 827, and this symbol here means that the number to the left must be greater than 827. So as an example, I have used the number 828, which is bigger than the number 827, and I have used 826, which is a smaller number than 827. Now, moving on, we are going to show the number using money just here. You can choose to complete this part however you like. I have written that $800 plus $20 plus $7 is the same as $827. So this is our money symbol here, and this shows us that this means $827. Next, we need to write our number in expanded form, so we would look at our hundreds, tens, and ones. So we have 800 plus 20 plus 7 equals 827. Now we need to fill out our place value chart and complete the hundreds, tens, and ones in this table here. As you can see, we have 8 hundreds, 2 tens, and 7 ones in the number 827. Lastly, to finish the activity, we need to write a number that is 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, and 10 less. Now, it's your turn to complete the activity. I would like you to choose another 3-digit number that is not 827, remembering that you can complete the activity on the worksheet, or you can complete it directly on the computer through Class Dojo.